So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get Copilot integrated on your VS Code easily. Now here you'll see whenever your Copilot has been integrated, it will automatically helps you to code very quickly. Now in order to get that sign of Copilot right there, and in order to get the suggestion from Copilot, all you need to do is to just simply go to this option of extensions, and here you need to search for Copilot. Now, once you search for the same, you'll notice that it's right there, GitHub Copilot. Just simply go over there and just simply install this particular extension. I've currently downloaded it. Now, once you have downloaded it, it will ask you to sign in as well using your Copilot account. And once you have it, you'll notice you'll see this option right there that is of Copilot inline suggestions and everything. Now, if whenever you try to code anything, Copilot will help you to finish that code very quickly. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.